Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to enable or disable the camera and microphone access to the sites on Google Chrome app on your Android device. So this is the dummy page. So whenever you are visiting any website that requires your camera, for example the Google Meet or Zoom or anything, it will request you for the camera access and the microphone access. So let's say this is the page and it's displaying that webcamtest.com wants to use your camera, and you have two options whether to allow or block. Say suppose if I block, then the permission is denied and the camera won't be using. In the address bar you can see currently the permissions is set to camera block. Now if you want to block the camera for all the websites, what you can do is you can tap on these three dots and go to settings, and within the settings you have the site settings, and it will have the permission sections where you can see the camera is set to ask first. So if you do not want any site to use the camera, you can toggle off this option and it will block the camera for all sites that you are accessing on your Chrome browser app. So if you want to customize based on your particular site, so like we just blocked for the webcam test page, it will be customized. Now if you want to choose to allow, then you can just select allow and it will be allowed. So in this way you can manage the camera permissions. Similarly for microphone, you have this option to enable or disable this toggle switch, which works exactly like the camera. If you enable the option allow or block on a website, then the website that has the permissions will be available here, and you can choose to allow or block them, or you can just simply toggle switch off and no website will be requesting you to permission to access the microphone. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.